Hello, I'm Wave. We will talk about photographic filter effects. In photography and cinematography, a filter is a camera accessory consisting of an optical filter that can be inserted into the optical path. For example, in Adobe Photoshop, we can consider filter gallery effects. Click on Filter menu and choose Filter Gallery. In a filter gallery, you can find out various effects that are available in artistic, brush strokes, distort, sketch, stylize, and texture. Let's consider on any one effect, like accented edges and brush strokes. The features contain edge width, edge brightness, and smoothness. You can adjust the slider and see what happens. You can take any one image, supported by PNG or JPEG version. Original image is on the half left side, and the additional effect image is on the half right side. If you have adjusted the edge width, we get darker outlines. Secondly, if you have adjusted the edge brightness, the image appears to be brighter. And thirdly, if you have adjusted smoothness, the image appears to be smooth, and the rest of the patches will become blurred. This is how the image effect works. In the effects layer of the filter gallery, you can add or remove the effect layer. Just like in the layer panels of Photoshop, you'll obtain a newly processed image effect, where you have applied this effect from the filter gallery. Now, the additional effect is the oil paint, a type of slow-drying paint that consists of particles of pigment suspended in a drying oil. This image will look like ancient styled, in the early 7th century. The painting can be more realistic, as well as artists do. You can apply any effect that can be done in filter gallery, just like I've said about few minutes ago. Lastly, the color effect depends on brightness and contrast, refers to the absolute value of tones called brightness, and the ratio of color difference called contrast. Secondly, hue and saturation, where hue permits colors in an order of rainbow depends on wavelength of visible spectrum, or in terms of angles up to 360 degrees, and saturation ranges from grayscale to pure color. And thirdly, invert colors, which flips the bits that make up the pixels on the screen, such as the opposite colors, where light colors turn into dark, and vice versa. In the color wheel you can refer to it. Red is the complementary color of cyan. It is also called the complementary color 2, making a phase of 180 degrees. So, this is how the image editing works, with the help of photographic filter gallery. Like, comment, and subscribe now.